Welcome to Surplus DIY. On this channel, you will see a lot of how-to projects. On this episode, I'll be creating a cast from a Himalayan salt lamp, then making a duplicate that lights up and is remote control from Epoxy. So stay tuned. Square this off, make everything look uniform, and then all I'm going to do next is just sand everything down, round everything off, and make it look like a stone. And hopefully we'll have a lighted, remote control Himalayan
salt lamp. Himalayan duplicate replica salt lamp.
Let's see how it turns out. Now we have the cast for the Himalayan salt lamp, and let's get it ready to pour. For this particular project, I wanted to do a lot of things from scratch, but unfortunately I couldn't use some of these pieces. Okay, I guess this is all my fault from trying to do everything from scratch. This base I'm not really happy with. I got to do a lot of cutting, so let's get started with that. And I'm gonna just try to shape everything up, make everything look as presentable as possible, and see how everything looks from there. So this is the Himalayan salt lamp, and this is an example of what will happen if you wait too long to remove the cast from the molding. Okay, so far this is what everything is looking like. This is going to be the light centerpiece for the table. It's pretty cool. Wanted to make it look like that Himalayan salt lamp, but be remote control and be able to change colors. So that's pretty cool. Then we have the base. So my objective was basically to make this look like, just square it off. I didn't really want to pour another one, but I wanted to just square this off, make everything look uniform, and then all I'm going to do next is just sand everything down, round everything off, and make it look like a stone. And hopefully we'll have a lighted remote control Himalayan salt lamp. Himalayan duplicate replica salt lamp. Let's see how it turns out.